This time, I am inviting your attention for a new technology which will help to bring down the input cost of sheet metal fabricators of India. The technology is very well proven. To know more about the installation details in Mumbai, please connect me through my WhatsApp number 83100 and my email ID is sajith@admspl.co.in. Hi, we entrepreneurs all the time thinking about how to bring the input cost down, how to induce innovation into the product, how we can deliver the product faster and safer way. Right or wrong? I am Sajith Surendran from AdM Solutions. This time I would invite your attention to how to bring the input cost of sheet metal fabrication down. This would be helpful for many of the sheet metal fabricators of India. The technology is well proven, really established. This is blanking solution integrated with decoiler, straightener, blanking portion, conveyor, collection area, the complete integrated solution. We can definitely achieve the accuracy expectation of the customer and also the flexibility. This will help to reduce the cost not just because of the usage of the coil, but also it helps to reduce many of the operational hurdles which involves in the entire process of the system. Next future is integrating laser cutting machine into this blanking line. How about the laser cutting machine is integrated with single head, 2 head, 3 head, 4 head, etc. And the table size is also variable as per the customer requirement. Want to know more details about this? Stay tuned for the next video. I would strongly suggest you to share this video to your friends as well in your business circle, so that I'm sure it will be useful for them also to have the knowledge and they can implement such kind of new technology in their shop floor. Thank you very much. See you in next video.